How to save backup on Google Photo app. So if you want to back up your Google Photos, then first of all you need to open up the Google Photos application. Simply open up the photos, and now you can go for the upper right corner which has that profile icon, and then here you will have backup option, right? Go for backup, and here you can go for the upper right corner which has that three dots icon, backup settings, and here on the first you will have backup photos and videos from this device to your Google account. So if you want to back up, like if you want to turn on or if you want to save backup, then you can turn that on, but if you turn that off, then you won't back up your photos. So to back up, turn this on, and that's it. That's how you save backup on Google Photos app. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.